guys, this will be a really quick video. Just want to show you my latest print, and this one actually turned out pretty good. So this is a Stormtrooper skull, or a busted helmet with a skull inside. You can see a big hole here. This whole half of the face is gone. So here in his eye you can see these are the supports that I was talking about on my last video. I have a few more here. So these have to be cut out and cleaned up, and you can see of course all the support structure here. So you can also see from this orientation I laid the helmet back a little bit, I think 20 degrees I think. So this print came out pretty good. I printed this out for a friend of mine, so pretty happy with that. There's still some places that it doesn't feel like the resin fully cured. I don't know if maybe I'm not mixing the resin, shaking the resin well enough. Any of you guys are into 3D printing, maybe you could let me know if there's something I'm doing wrong. But you can still see, let me zoom in here. You can still see how some of it looks really shiny and other parts of it is completely dry. So I've had this in the UV light for quite a while. But yeah, some of it just doesn't seem like it's completely drying. I'm not sure. So maybe I'm just not shaking the resin well enough or something. I'm not sure. But I am pretty happy with this came out. Tomorrow, if I get a chance tomorrow, I'm going to clean it up and put a coat of primer on it. And I'll let my friend, he can paint it up himself however he wants. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to do a Boba Fett one, similar Boba Fett helmet with the skull inside, for another friend of mine. So then I'll do a couple of these for myself to paint and do myself. So yeah, just wanted to show you again. I'd consider that one to be a successful print. Like I said, that resin just doesn't seem to be curing completely to me. So next print that I do, I'll next print that I do, I'll have it. I'll be sure to shake it up much more than I did with this one. So anyways guys, that's 3D printing continues. So yeah, so hope you stay tuned, and thanks for watching.